Hey, everybody, click the like button and the subscribe button. Send all your friends to our YouTube channel. This is Dr. Laura. I'm Jerry. This is the Auto Shop. We love what we do. We love to fix cars. And we're going to tell you a little story. Go ahead.
Yeah, we love to keep people safe. Okay, so here's what happened.
What happened?
Someone took their vehicle over to a dealership.
What the heck were they doing that for?
Yeah, well, I don't know. Apparently there was a light that was on in the dash. So the dealer did an oil service, and they didn't fix the problem. So a week later, the client brought their vehicle to us, and the dealer missed all kinds of safety items.
Our techs do a complete preventative maintenance inspection on every car that comes in. And I will tell you, the dealer, we're going to show you some pop-ups here. There's going to be pictures.
Photos.
Photos are always fun, right? Hard to argue with photos. When you see brake pads that are metal to metal, that should have been caught a week ago at the dealership, and it was not. Okay? When you see bushings that are worn out and cracked and missing, that should have been caught at the dealership. When you see, well, you'll see. Here's some more pictures, and so we got pictures going right now.
Yeah, and just so you know, because there's a level of trust that's required when you drop your vehicle off, if there's a problem with a component on your vehicle, we'll take a picture of it and send it to you, either email or through our digital inspection software, so that you can look and see, yeah, wow, that really is rusted, like in the pictures that you just saw. Or, wow, my brakes really are bad. They are metal to metal. So that you know exactly why.
I understand when your brakes are metal to metal.
Well,
This girl is so hard. She is so hard on brakes. It's amazing.
But the truth of it is, we will send you photos so that you know exactly what's going on, and we will do a courtesy maintenance inspection or a pre-maintenance inspection just to make sure that everything on your vehicle is functioning the way it should be. And if it's not, then you'll know, so that you'll know whether you're safe in your vehicle. That's the most important part.
We think you should know everything that we know about your car, and that's what we do better than anybody else, is communicate with you on what's going on with the vehicle.
Good job.
Yeah.
All right,
yeah.
So schedule an appointment, bring your vehicle in, 972-578-0588 or
www.theautoshop.com. Take care, everybody. We'll see you next time.
Bye.